In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn thousands of dollars every single month promoting the Supademo affiliate program. And I'm also going to be giving you 2 free strategies at the end of this video on how to promote this affiliate program. And if you don't know what affiliate.watch is, it's my platform where you can come and find the best affiliate programs and networks. Now let's go ahead and get started. And if you don't know what Supademo is, it is the fastest way to create interactive product demos. The company launched in 2023 and is already being used by many big companies such as Netflix, Alibaba, Ledger, and their statistics show that these product demos increase the user engagement for companies by 250%. And you can see right here, you can create engaging product demos in just minutes. This used to take so much development time and take many days to create. And you can record the HTML on a page, or you can do it with screenshots and videos. And you can optionally use the AI to generate text, add realistic voiceovers, and translate to multiple languages. And you can easily embed your code into any platform out there. You can also try it completely for free without even creating an account. And you can make product demos for web apps, desktop apps, as well as mobile apps. And there's so many other features that Supademo offers. And they have a really good affiliate program that pays 30% reoccurring commission, has 90-day cookies, and pays out via PayPal and Venmo. And it's an independent affiliate program. You do not need to sign up to an affiliate network. And you can see their pricing page right here to get an idea of how much commission you can make. So for example, if someone purchased this popular scale plan, you'll make 30% reoccurring commission. So that's $15 a month. That's $180 every single year. If you get a bigger company to sign up for the growth plan, you'll make $135. That's $1,620 every single year off a single company. And signing up to the affiliate program is super easy. Just click the link down below and then scroll all the way down and click the understood let's start button. And then you can just quickly fill out this form that asks you a few questions. And then once you're approved, they will send you a link to the affiliate dashboard, and it looks like this. And this is your link right here. And you can go ahead and start sharing your link and making money. And 2 strategies that you can use to make money on this affiliate program are, 1 is to post YouTube videos. There's actually not much competition because Supademo is a new company. However, they're growing very fast. So you can easily rank even if you're not a big YouTube channel. Another way is to write blog posts. You can see this blog post right here, Supademo Review, the best budget-friendly interactive product demo software. And if we scroll down, we can see an affiliate link. And this blog is not even a huge website or anything. And because this is a new company, it's much easier to rank for in YouTube as well as Google. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to find more affiliate programs, then make sure to check out affiliate.watch and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and have an amazing rest of the day.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's